Alright, this is a monthly grocery haul. We got the mini peppers, some strawberries, some, what are these? Grape tomatoes, baby spinach. I got this new Bright Farm spring mix. I'm going to try this out. I've never had this brand. Cucumbers, baby carrots, lettuce, asparagus, a salad, Santa Fe, I always get that, mushrooms, and a small watermelon, and a dragon fruit. I've had a dragon fruit drink, but I've never like opened up a dragon fruit to see what it's like. So I got a dragon fruit. Alright, and so then I got cereal, which I got the honey buzzers. I got some chili mix because I've been making a lot of turkey chili. I got some grapefruit juice, some pancake mix. I got this Honey Bunches of Oats, my favorite cereal. Let's move some of this stuff back. I got this to try it out. This is a chicken garlic spinach hand roll sandwich. This looks so good. I wanted to try this. This is new. Okay. Then I got some seasoned salt, some garlic and parsley. I picked up noodles, penne or penny, some cookies, got some milk, some more noodles, angel hair. We got 2 things of pasta and 2 things of Alfredo sauce, extra Dunkin' coffee creamer for my hubby, butter because our butter is running low, French vanilla coffee creamer. I got some sweet brown sugar and some original. I got 4 barbecue sauces, so the other one is on the other side. Some rotini noodles. Okay, I got a thing of bacon and a thing of ham. Some Italian seasoning so I can make that Italian angel hair pasta chicken stuff and actually try the Italian this time. Got some turkey sausage. 2 things of chicken fritters. There's another one on the other side. This is all my grocery store had was the chicken breast. So I got the rotisserie seasoned chicken breast. I got some boneless chicken thighs and then some beef ribs. I got 2 things of chicken, ground chicken. 2 things of potatoes. A roast. 2 things of turkey meat. A thing of pork chops. I got these sandwich thins. I haven't had these in years, but I got these to make my sandwiches. I got some drumsticks and some more chicken thighs. They had this Monterey Jack cheese, so I'm going to use this. I was supposed to get mozzarella, I forgot it. So I got this Monterey Jack cheese. I got 2 things of cream cheese, a thing of breaded okra for my hubby. That's the chicken fritters, the other ones. Some tilapia, some chicken breasts that are frozen, some chicken tenderloins that are frozen. There's the other barbecue sauce, and then some oatmeal. So, this is the beginning of the month of September grocery pickup. This is our produce. So that's our grocery haul to start off this month.